The following strategies are proposed for implementation.
Vaccination against COVID-19 has been strongly advocated for by the Ministry of Health, which has gone ahead to connect vaccination requirements to government services often sought by Kenyans.
Everybody seeking in-person government services should be fully vaccinated and proof of vaccination availed by December 21st, 2021. Such service will include but not limited to KRA services, education, immigration services, hospital and prison visitation, NTSA, and port services, among others.
This, however, is not all. With regards to keeping the COVID-19 positivity rate under control, particularly during the festive season,
when seeking transport services, clients should A. show proof of vaccination when using domestic flights, B. show proof of vaccination before use of train services, that is SGR, C. show proof of vaccination before boarding buses, matatus, and or regional travelers.
Vaccination certificates will also be mandatory in public spaces such as hotels, game reserves, bars and restaurants. Persons traveling by any means of transport, tourists and foreigners must also provide proof of full vaccination.
We want to control the spread of the pandemic because it's going to be a festive season. We are going to celebrate, we are going to enjoy ourselves, but we need to enjoy ourselves while we are safe as well.
The Ministry of Health is set to begin a 10-day mass vaccination exercise in line with the ultimate goal of vaccinating 27 million Kenyans by March 2022. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has, however, raised concerns over poor vaccine uptake.
We are particularly concerned that low uptake of our COVID-19 vaccines in high counties, in some counties of high population densities, such as Siaya, Meru, Bungoma, Busia, Migori, Kakamega, and Homa Bay, where full vaccination status is still below 5%.
Elsewhere, the Pharmacy and Poisons Board has given emergency use authorization for the 2-dose Pfizer vaccine to persons between 15 and 18 years of age, set to begin on the 23rd of November.
The estimated population in this group is approximately 5.7 million.
To seal the call for vaccinations, data from the Ministry of Health indicates that 95% of COVID-19 related hospitalizations are unvaccinated persons. Ben Kirera, K24, Nairobi.